Hello everybody, welcome back to another YouTube video. Today I'll talk about how I take my breakfast. Breakfast is considered the most important meal of the day because the gap of time between supper and breakfast is about 12 hours or more. It is the longest time we do not have any food. As a result, we feel feeble or weak. Therefore, it is highly necessary that you ensure a quality food in the morning. And today, I am going to tell you how I ensure a balanced diet in my breakfast. So, let's get started. In my breakfast, I always ensure protein-rich food. Protein will surely help you feel full. At the same time, it will give you required energy you need in order to face the challenges of the day. You can find protein from eggs, milk, and of course dry fish, chicken breast, Greek yogurt, and of course quinoa. These are the sources which will give you required protein you need for the day. After protein, I have to ensure fiber-rich food. Fiber will also help you feel full. At the same time, it works on your digestive system, so you cannot ignore fiber. You can find fiber from bean, berries, popcorn, and of course whole grains. It may be oats or of course the whole wheat bread. Here you should keep in mind that oats and whole wheat bread will also ensure carbohydrate. Vegetables and fruits can lower your blood pressure. They can reduce the risk of cancer. They can reduce the risk of heart attack or brain stroke. So you can understand the importance of consuming vegetables and fruits in the morning. Vegetables and fruits can also keep your appetite in check because they release energy very slowly. Finally comes fat. We all know that we should not consume too much fat because fat is not good at all. But we have to eat, a little fat, and this fat has to be very quality fat. Where can you find such quality fat from? You can find quality fat from nuts, seeds, avocado, which is not available in our parts of the world, and if you can find them, it will really give you the quality fat, and of course the olive oil, and these are the sources of quality fat. So if you really have a busy morning tomorrow, please make your plan the night before, and at the same time you should know the food values of different kinds of foods and make it sure that all the food items are available at your home, and that will surely help you to prepare your breakfast very simply and easily. Now your task is to let me know how you take your breakfast. You can look at the words and phrases at the screen and then use them in order to let me know how you take your breakfast. In the next video, I'll talk about how I get dressed. Till then, take care. Bye.